Here's what is going to be your reference source for your next project. This drawing I would like you to have it finished by Wednesday, because this Wednesday you're going to get a new project. It won't actually be due to be turned in until April 6th, a week from today. So it's a simple still life with some good direct lighting on it. You've got definite form shadows where you should see the form. Notice the change of value when the plane changes, how that this area here is lighter a little bit than this area and lighter than this area here. Now there's a weird thing that our brains do. If our brains perceive that something is a certain color, it will want to say that all of it is that same color and value until there's an obvious change. So as a result, lots of times you don't really see or perceive the change of value from the top down to the bottom. We get a highlight here, highlight there. We see that. We see the shadow, but it's harder to see the mid-tone till you get into here. But it's definitely there. And from the expert learning that you've had about change of plane, change of value, depending upon the direction of the light, you know that it's got to be lighter up here, mid-tone here. Lighter here, mid-tone here. Here, it's pretty obvious. It's such a sharp change. So, this is what we're going to draw. I'm going to start off drawing here, just like I normally would. Okay, first, placement of things. Get an idea. I failed to say that this is a 12-inch square centered on a piece of good 18 by 24 paper. Just judging distances. Okay, it looks like I either need to lower, I think I need to lower this a little bit. I'm looking back and forth from my drawing constantly. Okay, that's got to come down below this point just a little bit. And then, yeah, this is where that's got to be. Let's see. If that's there, I'm trying to see what is causing a little bit of an issue here. That actually moves over to there. And that angle becomes a little flatter. That angle is a little bit like
Something I
this.
noticed there is that that front corner of the Patron bottle is not in the middle of the bottle, so I moved it to the left.
Okay, I'm going to get a little bit of the ellipse here. Around there. Make both sides the same. Now, important, I draw in the shape of each shadow. Watch carefully that distance from the bottom of the object to this edge of the shadow when you have a shadow like that. There's a tendency to make it way too long from there to there. Keep it like you see it.
Be sure and notice that although the corner of the Patron bottle is not in the middle, the outer contour is symmetrical.
Okay, there's a shadow, a cast shadow here. Core shadow there. And then okay, that's pretty much a drawing. Looks a little messy, but that doesn't matter one bit.
You can go to Project Part 2 now.